Alright, good morning, boys. What's up? Today is going to be a weird day. It is a bank holiday. Now, I do trade bank holidays. In the past, I have made videos saying not to trade bank holidays, and that is because most people have not back tested their model throughout bank holidays. And I have, and there's nothing wrong with my model during bank holidays. I have back tested every bank holiday, and I honestly have yet to actually take a big loss during a bank holiday. Therefore, I will continue trading them because I come out profitable throughout them. Now, today's a little weirder of a day. It was very, very, very sloppy price action, and obviously, it's because it's a bank holiday, right? However, I have traded them in the past, like I told you, and I've made more money off them than I have lost. So do I care? Not really. But we're on eval, and we did end up. They're not blown. They hit the max daily loss violation, but I'm going to reset them. They're basically blown, right? I'm going to go over my thought process throughout the trading day and how I took 2 losses, right? So coming into market open, let's scratch everything, right? Let's look at ES as well. Let's scratch everything. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. On ES, we're actually trading in a 4-hour gap. And a lot of you guys are probably going to say, oh, we had SMT at this high. I really don't care because my draw is still higher. Right? If I was bearish, I would care. Right? On ES, we're in a 4-hour gap. We have London and True Day Open resting above us, as well as Asia. Draws are bullish. On Nasdaq, we are trading within OTE of the range and inside a 1-hour bullish gap. I am extremely bullish on Nasdaq. Now, what do I see? Midnight Open and London highs aligned to the tick. This is one of the strongest draws on liquidity. We also have this high. I'm going to show you guys a trade I lost and how disgusting it was. Watch this. I took 2 trades today, right? We ended up tapping into this 5-minute order block at pre-market, right? And once we got a green candle closure to the upside at 9:35, I entered in long with stops below this low and TP at this high. This was the first. Was this the first trade? No, this is the second trade. All right. Look how disgusting this is. Why I didn't go break even. I didn't even have time to think to go break even. I wasn't trying to go break even on this. I've never had this happen to me. An edge this bad is ridiculous. I got edged by 1.25 points. Disgusting. Right? Unfortunately, or fortunately, I actually didn't take anything on my live account. But yeah, this is ridiculous. I'm actually a little upset about this one because I did get edged. But nothing we can do about it. Part of the system. Second trade I took. This one, the first trade I took, if I believe, was here. Targeting, I guess it was this. I did want to see price rip up like this. And after I saw the lack of volatility in the market, for the second trade, I did settle for a 5-minute candle closure. We also respected this order block. And price is moving nice. I'm not going to lie. This is ridiculous in my opinion. But yeah, was on eval. So I did get greedy with my take profit. You guys know I usually move my take profit like to the wick on XFAs. However, I have not been on XFAs in about 2 weeks now because I full pour my evals, which I might actually have to stop if price action is going to continue this way. But whatever. Overall, like I said, if I have the screenshot up correctly, I lost $20,000. I lost $500 on evals. That's the beauty of prop firms, right? And you're going to click on this video thinking I actually lost $20,000. That's why I love prop firms. But overall, great fucking trade. The second trade is much better than the first one, I'll tell you that. We're in a 1-hour bullish gap, OT of the range, with all these highs above us. I would take this trade 10 out of 10 times. And all of those other 9 times, this high would get taken, and I would be up for the day. However, today there was no volatility in the market, so very unfortunate. If you guys have any questions about these trades, I will be here to answer. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.